Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a book review. This will be my first book review, and so I'll be having these from time to time. This is a brand new book. Brand new is, I am filming this on the, what is this, 7th, 8th? It's the day of the solar eclipse. And that's what day I'm hoping to get this video out. It's on a Monday. I got this last Tuesday. It was released last Tuesday. I pre-ordered on Amazon, and it's called Wonderful World of Amigurumi by Khuc Cay. That's her name. There we go. I have one other book of hers that I really like. But yeah, when I saw the photos for this, I went ahead and pre-ordered. And it arrived on Tuesday. I was so excited to get it. And I have actually made something with it. And I'm in the process of making something else. So, we're going to go through the book. And I'm going to show you some pictures. There are 15 patterns in here. And this book, it's really nice. In the beginning, she explains different materials you need for this book to make these patterns, and if you need crochet techniques, if you're learning to crochet, or if you just, like me, I've been crocheting for 3 months now. That's all I've been crocheting, and I have got down, you know, a chain stitch, the simple crochet or the single crochet, half double crochet, a double crochet. I've got all that stuff down. I can increase, I can decrease. I can make my magic ring now, piece of cake. And I can work in a chain. I've mastered that. It's when you get to bobble stitches, I still need to look at a reference. I don't really think there's any bobble stitches in this book though. But like here, there's a mattress stitch. I haven't done that yet. But I think that's the only thing. It seems like the only, yeah, it's got chain stitches, slip stitches, yeah, that's easy, single crochet, half double crochet, increase, decrease, and whether to use front loops, back loops. I know all that, so I've got that down now. So let's get into all the sweet things you can make. So first one, and I have got a piece of paper to hide the pattern, because if you want a pattern, buy the book. So here's our first one. It's a bumblebee, and it says it's Anne the bee, and it says she will be 7 inches tall, and you recommended a hook size of 2.75. I used a different weight. She has this happy cotton DMC. I use worsted weight yarn for the most part. That's all I've been using is worsted weight. So I made the bee, and my bee is a little bigger, but that's okay. I did use the 2.75 inch hook on this though. But in this pattern, her wings are white except for one wing is a rainbow. It says, this little bee works a lot. She wakes up every day with the sunrise and only comes back when her bag is full of pollen. Nevertheless, she is always in a good mood, thanks to her rainbow wing. Grow a flower in your garden and maybe you'll see her pass by on a nice day. I didn't care for the look of the rainbow wing. Nothing political here, nothing like that. I just didn't like the look of the having that one wing that is a rainbow. And I went to Walmart. I went to Walmart for something else. While I was there, I was looking at the yarn, and I found this sparkle. This is, what's a brand? What's it called? Red Lion? It's a sparkle. Maybe you can see that sparkle. I don't know if it's really showing up. But it's a sparkle gray color. And I bought that specifically to make the wings with. And I thought if I make wings with something else, I'll use the sparkle. So I might start gathering up some sparkle yarn to use for like magical special things. Now this one called for a yarn for around the neck called Teddy. I don't know what that is. It looks like fur. I wasn't about to go buy a special Teddy yarn that looks like fur because I think I'm doing really well crocheting, but I don't think I'm ready for any kind of textured yarn. I bought this. This is that scrubby yarn. I was going to make some kitchen scrubbies. This by itself, I can't crochet and see what I'm doing. I can't see my stitches. I'm going to try to mix with a strand of cotton and see if I can work that up. That's nothing important. It's just something I was trying out. But I just chained a really long chain and just wrapped it around this bumblebee's neck. I think it looks okay. If I'd had that in yellow, I would have really liked it, or black. But I had it great. So that is this bumblebee, and she didn't take that long in the scheme of things. Those of you who do markets, you can work up things really quick. For me, in the scheme of things, I think it took me a day to do her. That's fast for me. So anyway, that is the bumblebee, and let me show you, like this book is full of directions. Like this bumblebee also has a leaf on her head. I didn't want a leaf on her head. You can do your patterns any way you like in any colors. Next, I'm just going to show you some of the other patterns. I probably won't go into much detail because this is the one that I made, and the directions were really simple. The pattern was really easy to follow, and like I said, she worked up pretty good for me. If you are really new, you're going to have these lines whenever you do color changes. That's just a given. So you can hide it sometimes with things, but that's just a given. Next we have Philippe, excuse me, the F-E-N-N-E-C fox. I'm not sure what that is, but here's Philippe. I do want to make Philippe the fox. Look at that. Turning dark. I like his shirt. Next we have Griffin the giraffe. I have two griffins in my family. There's Griffin the giraffe. That is cute. I need to start timing what I'm making. That's on my to-do list. Now look at this. If you guys saw the mushroom boy I made, look at this. Is that not precious? That is so precious. I have got to make this. This is Henna, H-E-I-N-A. Henna, the mushroom. Henna is the sweetest and most charming little mushroom in the forest. She loves spending time near the river and listening to the birds sing. She sends positive vibes to everyone. She is really cute. I do want to make her. And this, my page is dirty already because this is Kiko the crocodile. And I am currently in the process of making Kiko. I will show you, I've got his head made. Well, you know, I haven't put teeth, or I don't know if I'm going to crochet or embroider teeth. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I personally am not a fan of that look. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet on that. I'm going to leave that till the last minute. But I've got his tail made and his two arms made. So I just need his feet and his body, and I can put him all together. But yeah, I think that is so cute. So that's Kiko the crocodile. Next, we have Liam the kitten. I have yet to, no, I did do a cat. I did like a ballet cat. But look at Liam the kitten. Ah, that is so precious. Liam is, I haven't told you the difficulties. Man, let's go back. The bee was a difficulty of 1, and that is true. Very easy to make. The fox is a 2. The giraffe is a 1. The little mushroom girl is a 1. The crocodile is a 3. I think mainly because of this work on his shirt, his or her shirt. I am doing the stitch, and it's not hard. If you can, it's a kind of a tapestry type, and I've been learning to do that, so that's not a, I don't find it that difficult. Liam the kitten is a 1, so a lot of 1s in here, 1s and 2s, and that's nice. Lucas the boar. Lucas is a difficulty of 2. Here's Lucas. He's so cute. He's cute. Alright, next we have Michael the ladybug. Michael is a 2. I do like Michael's mustache. There we go. I don't know. There's something about Michael. I don't know. I might try to make Michael, but I might switch him up a bit. I'm not sure yet. But Michael's a 2. Next, this one. After I make, I don't know if it'll be right after I make the crocodile, but coming up soon, I'm going to make Milka the skunk. And here is Milka. I haven't seen a skunk pattern. Oh, I love that. I'm going to definitely make Milka the skunk. And then next, oh, this one too. There's just so many cute patterns in here. This is Milo the monkey. Look how mischievous looking Milo is. I think that's so cute. Milo the monkey. Milo loves to play soccer. He cannot wait to join his friends on the field each Wednesday. He dreams of being a professional soccer player for the jungle team. Yes. Yes, indeed. Next, this is the one on the cover. Ani the platypus. There's Ani. He's got his little fish pouch. Little fish bag. And then next, Ani is a 2. I don't know if I told you that. Then we have Remy the ostrich. Remy is a 3, and I can see why. Remy, the yarn on the head and around the neck looks like feathers. Let me see if it tells me. It's that teddy. Oh, and there's another one called woolly. You use woolly, you use teddy, and then the cotton. I am not a big fan of Remy, and I don't want to use those, try to find those specialty yarns. I probably won't make Remy. So, yeah. And then Sakura the mermaid. I would like to try this mermaid. You guys know the mermaid I made. I sent it to my new great niece. I just put a bunch of stuff in a box and mailed it to them. And I won't make that mermaid again. But this one I might. This one's a difficulty of 3. But the hair does not look that difficult. And she makes up to be 11 3/4 of an inch. So like the size of a Barbie, maybe. A smaller one. Which if I make her in worsted weight, she'll make up a little bigger, but she has a crown you can make. But there, you can see that hair. Hair is not fun. Hair is not fun to make. Okay, and then next we have, oh, these are cute. Sunny the anglerfish. They are a 3. Look at that. I like the anglerfish. I think I would choose brighter tropical colors. That's just me. That's just me. Oh, I think I can show you this. I think. Look at there. Yeah, cool. I like the anglerfish. I wonder how long that would take to make. And then I think this is the last one. Yes, and the last is Yin the reindeer. She is a difficulty of 3. I tell you right now, it's that dress. The dress is the reason. I bet she's a 3. She's got woolly yarn too. I don't see anything woolly, so I don't know really what that woolly yarn is. Oh, I think it's the flowers in her hair. It's the flowers in her hair. That's not a big deal. I would like to see this dress. What? Let's see. I see single crochets. I know there's more in here. Double crochets. Maybe it might not be that hard. I don't know. That 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet. Yeah, I think this will throw me for a loop, but I like to be challenged. I do like that dress, so I will be making that. And then here's the author, and if you want to scan that, let me hold it still. I think it takes you to her YouTube channel, which I have subscribed to her YouTube channel. So Khuc Cay, she's from Vietnam. So is my niece / daughter. Her husband is from Vietnam. Her husband is from Raleigh, North Carolina. His parents are from Vietnam. So yeah, this lady lives in France now. So yes. Great book. I am so happy I purchased it. In the US, it's $19.99. In Canada, it's $26.99. I did get mine on Amazon for $15 and change. I did look before I started filming. It was $15.66 as of today. And that I'm going to get this video up today. That's my goal, to get it up. So if you're watching it on the day I release this, it's not bad. And these are really, the only pattern in here I'm not interested in at all is, I think, the ostrich. But everything else, I will probably end up making at some point or another. So that is my review of this new book. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Let me know. Are you planning on picking up this book? Because I highly recommend it. I think out of 5 stars, I give it a 5 star. I think I'll do ratings 1 out of 5. I give it a 5. So I highly recommend it. So if you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe if I haven't already said that. And please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.